Ladies and gentlemen, Oboye here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a social media and community website for free. Yes, in this video, I'll actually be using my phone to create everything just to show you that it can be done using smartphone. You can use your tablet to do it. It's just the same process I'm going to show you. So there's no excuse for you not learning how to create websites with your smartphone. Now, this particular website here has two sidebar, the right and the left sidebar. Now, in the right sidebar, you can see here it's going to tell your community members or your social media members to complete their profile, and here you're going to see all your members. Here you see your groups, you see who is online here, and there's a place for forum. Here there's a place for forum. There's a place where you see members. There's a place for groups, and this is the news feed here. The news feed means just like the normal we have it on Facebook, we call it feed. Now all this thing is going to be created for free, and you can upload images. So here you can see image icon. You can upload images, you can upload videos, and one other thing is that you can actually like video, you can like comment, and you can also you can like posts, you can also comment, you can connect with friends, you can share your link with friends and family, you can create forum, and this is very beautiful. As I've told you earlier, I'll be creating this social media website for free. So let us jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your WordPress site. So here I'm using a free domain and free hosting. In case you don't know how to get free domain and free hosting, I'll put the link below. It's free, so you can actually just test out how your website is going to look like before you actually get a custom domain and custom hosting. So I'm using free domain and free hosting. I'll put the link below, or you see it up there. Just click on it, and you'll be directed on how you can get your free domain and your free hosting. So guys, now I'm in my WordPress site. All I have to do is to click on this amber button. So this is the menu button. I'm going to click on this particular menu button up here. So when I click on this menu button, this option is going to open up to me. And yeah, I have so many things telling me to update, but don't worry, since we're using a free just for testing purpose. So I'm just going to come to appearance and click on theme. I'm going to upload my theme. So my theme is like the framework, the skeleton of the whole website. So all I have to do is come here and click on add new. So I'm going to click on add new. So when I click on add new, it's going to bring up options for me like this. Let this load. So all you have to do is to come here and search for the theme. So the theme we're using is known as Body X. We're using Body X theme. The theme is a free theme and it's a premium. It's called a premium theme. So all you have to do is just to click on it and click on install. So when you install it, the next thing you're going to do is to click on activate. So you're going to activate it, and you'll see how our website is going to look. So when you have activated it, the next thing that this team is going to recommend some plugin for you. All you have to do is to come here and click on this begin installing plugins. So click on that, then click on this button up here. You see this particular button, just click on that, and all this will be selected. Then you come down here, you see this menu, you see this bulk action. Click on this bulk action, select install, and select apply. So automatically all these three plugins will be installed at once. Then you come down here, you are going to see this button here, which is begin return to recommended, something like that. So just come and do the same thing. Click on this plugin up there, everything will be selected. Click on bulk action, then click on activate and click on apply. So this will be activated automatically. Tell them be activated automatically. So now you are done with that. Just click on this amber button. We are button our theme. So if you want to see how your website look like, click on this home icon. You can click on this home icon. Then you can click on visit site. So I'm going to put this visit site so that I can actually view this site in a new tab. So I'll click on new tab, and this is going to open up for me in a new tab. So if I have to check my website, this is how my website is going to look like now. So it's not even close to what we want for it to look like this, but I want to show you how we can transform it from this way it looks to that one. So let me come back to my back end here. I click on this amber button, then I'm going to come straight down here, just come straight down, and we're going to upload a plugin. It's the plugin that we're going to use to do all the old magic, guys. So let me just close this, click on this amber button, okay, then click on plugins, then click on add new. So when you click on add new plugin, we are going to add a plugin. I'm going to upload a plugin actually, because the plugin is not presently available on WordPress, but I have to go and download it and get things done. Sometimes this is going to come up for you. You can just cancel it. So when this actually come out from Elementor, you can see this cancel icon here. Just click on that cancel icon, and that should take care of it. So you are back here. All you have to do, you can close everything you want to close here. For example, if you don't like anything here, you can just click on this screen. Well, let's leave it though. Just leave it like that. it's only you that can see all this. So when this has finished loading, click on the amber button again, then we're going to come back to our plugin, click on plugin, click on add new. So we're going to add new plugin. So we're going to add a new plugin. As I've told you earlier, the plugin is not available on element on WordPress itself. We are just search on plugins, but just click here. You can see this place known as upload plugins. So we're going to upload the plugin. Click on upload plugin. So you click on upload plugin, we're going to upload the plugin. Now the question is, how can you get the plugin? To get the plugin, I'll put a link below. The link is going to come to my website here, danadeoboye.com.ng. You see the link. All you have to do is to click on that link. You'll be brought straight to this place. So this is where you see so many of my posts. So just come here and you will see this place, get body boss for free. Just click on that. So when you click on get body boss for free, you come straight to this body boss website. So all you have to do is to come here and click on download here, download free now. So just come, when you download free now, you can just scroll up down. You see a button down here. So let me show you the button. The button is somewhere down here. Okay, it's somewhere here. You see the button somewhere down there. Just click on that, and this is going to be downloading. The plugin is going to get downloaded to your phone or to your system. Well, I've already have it, so I'm going to cancel it. All I have to do is I'm going to upload my own since I've already gotten it. So I'll come back here, then click on choose file. Click on choose file, then I'm going to select the file, look for the plugin. So here's the plugin. See body press, I think it's around 14 MB. I'm going to click on install now. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I create videos on website design, how to make money online, and how to enhance your businesses. So after I've done that, go to click on install now. Okay, if you have any question, you can just comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. Okay, just wait for this to actually install. It is installing. That's why you see some green, you see this green link, blue link. So I'm going to wait for it to just finish installing. Alright guys, so this has fully installed. The next thing I'm going to do is come here and click on activate plugin. So I'm going to click on activate plugin. So our plugin will be activated. So after you have uploaded it, you click on install. Then after that has finished installing, then you click on activate. Then this is going to make our plugin to be live. So this that plugin that will give extra functionality to our website. Your theme is the framework, while plugin gives extra features or extra functionality to your site. So here we are. So now let's just get started, because if I can come back to my the website here and I'm going to refresh it, it's still going to be just the same way it is. Nothing changes, nothing. So but now we can make all these things, can make it beautiful, and put some functionality and this and that on that. So let's come back to our back and click on these three lines there. That is the menu button. So this menu button is okay. Let me just close this first. Click on this menu button. This menu button is going to open up for you. Then you'll see this place known as body press. So you can see body press here. Now, before you come to body press, there's one other function I want us to do is for us to come to setting itself. So you see setting here. Click on this setting and click on general. So on general setting, you're going to here you can select your site title is I'm calling this on social meet. Then you put your tagline. I'm going to also put my own tagline. Let's connect. Your tagline is going to be like your load, what they call it, motto. I'm going to put let's connect. Just scroll down. Then membership. Click on this. Anyone can register. Then scroll down and click on save changes. So this is going to save change. So to save. So now that it has successfully changed, you still need to do some other thing. Click on the three dots again. Come back to setting. Then this place you're going to search for permalink. Then click on permalink. So when you click on permalink, you are going to come straight down. Okay, so here you see this post name. Click on post name. Now, post name is good for SEO to make your website to be seen on the SEO. Then after I've clicked on post name, just click on save changes. So this post name you're going to select this one up here. Then you click on save changes. So when you click on save changes, your permalink has been saved. So the next thing I'm going to do is we'll come to this three dots. Then let's see all the pages that has been created for us. Click on page. You see all pages. So let's see all the pages that have been created. This is actually going to load. Just have to wait for some few seconds. I think I have a little problem with my own network here. So click on all pages and all the pages is going to load. Now when the pages load, you'll notice that some pages has been added for you almost immediately automatically. So let's wait. Alright, so these are the pages that has been created for you automatically. Immediately you install the plugin. So activate has been created, member has been created, news feed has been created, register sample page. So this sample page I'm going to trash it. I don't really need the sample page. So like trash like delete. So to delete that sample page. It's not necessary for me. So guys, so now I want our news feed to be this our news feed. I want it to be the home page automatically. So I want to be the home page. So you can also create another page known as blog. So in case you want to upload something like maybe update and you want people to read it, you can also create blog. How to create blog. To create blog is very simple. Just come here and click on add new. So let me click on add new. Let me just create a blog page. So when I've clicked on add new, the page is going to open up for me like this. All I have to do is just click name it blog, and that is all. So let's wait for this to just open briefly. Just open. All right, so I'm going to click on cancel up here. Cancel that, then I'll give the name blog. Just call it blog. So blog is going to be where I'm going to upload. Then after I name it blog, I'll just click on publish. Then click on publish again, and this is going to be public. It's not live. I cancel it. Click on these three dots. Then I come back to my settings. Click on my settings here. Then now I'm going to click on reading. After I click on settings, you click on reading. So I want to select my default something. So here you can see your home page display. I want to select a static page. Then my home page, I want my home page to be my news feed. I want my post page to be my blog. Then I want to come down here and click on save changes. I hope you are following me, guys. Okay, now that we have done that, if you come to your website, let's come to our website. You see that things are still just the same way they are, not different, right? We are going to do something to make it look interesting. So now that we are almost getting things done, but now there's been a little change. You can see a little change has happened to the website. That's changed from something to something. So let us move on. The next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this triangle button, then click on body boss itself. So this is the body boss. In case you cannot find it, so this is it up here. Then here I'm going to click on components. Click on components. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Click on components. Now I want to select some things I want people to see. I want my customer, people that come to my website, to be able to create a social group. I want them to be able to create forum discussion. I want them to be able to upload media. I want them to be able to private share themselves, connect themselves, invite through email. Okay, I want them to also be able to block anybody or anybody that is trying to do anything like that. Just the way Facebook does it actually. So I'm going to click on this amber button and click on activate. Then I'm going to click on apply. So these are some of the settings that you're going to do at the back end, and everything is going to be reflecting at the front end. And so far, you've not written a single line of code and you've not paid a cent to get everything running. So all this has been done for us, has been activated. You can see now I've activated everything. Then all you have to do now is come up here. You see this up here. So you're going to click on pages. So let's check out all our pages. Then when I click on page, I'm just going to check it. So just to ensure that all our page are complete. So components members are in members page. You can see members are in members page. So video, there's no a page for any video. So just click on select page and see. So there's nothing for you to do there. Now all you have to do is to come here on this video. Since there's no video page, just click on create page. So when you click on that create page, you will not end up creating any page. It automatically create a page for you and automatically add itself. So it's very cool. Just do that. You can see now we now have video in video, photos in photo, documents. Now I actually tell them that they should be able to upload documents. If you don't want them to upload documents, you can just come here and disable it in the components. So me, I show them to be able to upload documents. So I'm just going to put the document page again. I'll click on create page, and document is going to be document page is going to be created for me and to be added for me automatically. So yeah, forum, everything is set. Then register. Then I'm going to come here and click on save settings. So when I click on save settings, all that settings has been saved for me in my components. So this is everything that has been done for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to settings, click on settings up here. This particular settings, you will see this particular setting. This is the setting I click on. So it's here up here. So I'm going to click on that. Then here is where you can do some other settings. Now, the first settings is the general setting. Do you allow members to be able to delete their profile? For example, maybe when they finish creating it and they don't want that kind of they don't want them to be able to delete it. So show the tab bar for login admin. So I don't want this to show. Show the tab bar for login members. I don't want this to show. So show the top bar for login. I don't want the toolbar to show. So this is what they mean by the toolbar. So when you come up here, you can see this place here. So it's the toolbar. I don't want it to show. So I'm going to cancel all that. Then let's see registration. Everything is done. So okay. So here is you want them to register, you can actually put all these, can tick mark it. So want them to add, to send email confirmation to register form. So when they register, they need to confirm their email. So you can actually enable this, or if you don't want, you cannot, it depend on you. Then privacy, then I'm not doing this. I'm going to click on save settings. So when I click on save settings, let's see if anything has been done to our site. Look at the way the site looks like now. Let's refresh it and see if anything has been done, if any effect has been done. So this is load. You can see that the toolbar has gone first. I think the toolbar has gone. So there was a black something up here. It has gone away. And now we have this here. So basically this is what we have now. And if I want it to look like the way it's supposed to look now, we can add, you can add picture. So picture icon has already shown. We can add picture. So let me just open this in a desktop side, so you can see how it's going to look on desktop. So this is how it's going to look on desktop actually, but it has not yet looked like the way we want it to look. So we need to add other things that we might end up adding. So let me just continue creating. So the two, I'm going to come back here. Since I've enabled desktop here, this might prompt me, give me something like that. So this has automatically become desktop 2. So now desktop is going to give you some set to do so many things. So it gives you some ability to convert your phone to a desktop, just like the same way it looks in computer. So after I've done all these, I've click on save settings. So now you come down here, you see that we still have another settings. We call that one profile. So you can select profile. So when you select profile, you are going to be able to set functionality for profile. So let me select profile. Okay, profile is being selected. So now you can set how you want your profile to, how you want customer profile or client profile to appear, your social media profile to appear. So now I want it to display what? I want to display both their first name and last name, just the same way it happens on Facebook. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is their profile link. So for example, so somebody want to send their profile link, I want it to include only their username. So just do all this. You can just so you do anything, you can select any one of these. So let me just select this one or select this body press. Allow member to use avatar. No, I want them to upload their own image. So all this, just leave them the way they are. Come down. So yes, you can remember directory I want it to be. I'm going to leave it the way they are. So this one here, profile types, enable profile type to give unique field and permission. No. So profile search. So I'm going to enable this and no. So enable advanced profile search for members directory. I'm going to click on that and click on save settings. So now I'm done with save settings. The next setting I want to set now is the group. So I'll click on group here. So I'm going to set how I want my group to look like. So here I want group creation. I want all members to be able to create group. Also, we have group message, allow for sending message to group members. So I click on that. Then I'm going to leave every other thing the way they are. I'm going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now this group type, enable group type to better organize. So I'm going to click on enable group types. So group type can be like public group, private group, so something like that. So this one is auto membership approval, allow selected member type to automatically join groups. So I'm going to leave that one like that. I won't do that. So I'm just going to click on allow groups to show hierarchy. Okay. So let me just close this. Just close this and just click on save changes. You actually enable it and read through it and see how you want it to be. It all depends on you, but this is the way I want my social media stuff to be. So the next time I'm going to come here is to click on forum. I'm going to set my forum. So I don't want this video to be so long. I'm trying to compress things and also to be precise. So on the forum here, this allow editing after 5 minutes. So when you have sent something or something, maybe you have uploaded your opinion to the forum. I don't want you to edit again after 5 minutes. Or if you want them to edit forever, you can just put that. So posting every 10 seconds. So I want you to, after I posted first, you have to wait for 10 seconds to be able to post. So anonymous posting. So I do not want to be, so I'm not going to enable that. So you can also read through. I'm going to leave everything the way they are actually. This forum stuff, leave it the way they are. Just come down here and click on save. Okay, click on save settings. So now the next one I want to do is notification. Click on notification now. Um, okay, just have to go through all these settings. So this is setting that's going to enable you to do things. So on-screen notification, yes, I want there to be on-screen notification. Just the same way Facebook will send something to you if somebody post something, add something like your post this and that. So yeah, position on screen, I want it to be here at the bottom right. mobile support. I'll enable this and automatically hide. So let me just leave that with the way they are. So this, I'm going to add new notification in the title of the, let me disable this. So now members can manage which screen notification they want. So I want them to be able to manage that. So I'll leave that, leave everything the way they are. So yeah, just leave everything the way they are. I'm just going to come down here and click on save settings, or better still, you can just check through it and just do it the way you want. So I'm just creating this site just to show you how possible it is. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come to activities. I've done for other parts. Let me come to activities. I'm going to enable activities. So when I click on enable activities, just going to allow member to edit the activity post for a doable. So I want them to be able to edit what they have posted on their activities. But I don't want it forever. I want them to only be able to edit it for, let's say, like, let me just leave it. You can just edit it. So automatically check for new this number to automatic activity auto refresh. I think that one is better. So I don't want to enable the other one. So I'm going to leave it, leave everything okay to follow each other. Yes, I want this one to follow to follow, and I want them to be able to like. So I want this one to preview relevant activity. I want to click on relevant activities. Then these other ones, just body press function. I'm going to leave them the way they are. Then come down here and click on save settings. So you can actually check out all those functionalities. So I only enable the one that I think I like. So the next one is media. I'm going to click on media. Now, all this function came into being because we enabled them in the connection. So if you not enable them in the connection, all this is not going to show. So in the media, what do I want? I want profile active messages, allow me back to upload photos in private messages. Okay. So that is to say, if you are sharing somebody privately, you can upload photo to them. So also going to enable this one. So after I've done that, I'm going to documents. I'm not going to, okay, I'll enable them to allow to upload something in document. So that's is what I want them to do. Then for video, I want them to be able to upload video on the profile, that is on the activity, and able to upload video. Also upload video in group and this. So that's been done. So on that, if you want them to be able to upload emoji, like emojis. So I wanted to upload emojis on virtually everything, able to upload emoji. Then I'm going to come down here and click on save settings. So let's check out our website is looking. Let me refresh this my site. You will see some changes could have occurred by now. Some changes could have occurred. Now, one of the changes that is going to occur is that you're going to see where you can upload videos. Initially, we only have photo. But since I've already enabled video, now I can see video, and I can actually add emoji. When I'm typing, I can put emoji. I'll show you everything at the later on. So let's come back to our design. So the next one I want to do is connection. I click on connections. So connection is like, you message somebody. Now, require not admin member to connect before they can message each other. Yes. Before you can send message to somebody, I want that person to be your friend. So auto follow. No, I don't want to follow. Then we'll click on save changes. So if you click on to follow, it means that when you just message somebody, like connect to somebody, that person automatically start following that person. Or let me put this. Let me just put this auto follow and click on save changes. But if you don't want it, you can actually remove it. So the next one, if you have any problem, any sort, you can see view tutorial. There's always a place of you see view tutorial. You can click on that video tutorial to see how it's going to look like. Now the next one I want to do is to click on invite. So I'm going to click on invite, and let's see how the invite is going to look like. So here invites, I want them to be able to invite themselves to subject, something like to email or that. Just click on save changes. It means that you want to invite somebody, you send email, just the same way WhatsApp does it and Facebook does it. So I think we are almost done. Now come here and click on moderation. The next one is moderation. I'm going to click on moderation. Alright guys, I hope you are following this video. If you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share your video with your friends and family. So the next one I want to do is I want members to be able to block themselves. So somebody offend you, just the way you've blocked somebody on Facebook, help them to follow about Facebook. I want members to be able to report somebody is trying to harass, they can report it to me. And so I want to auto suspend member after 5. No, I don't want to do that. So email notification, just enable this email notification. Then all these content reporting, I'm going to leave that the way they are. So I'm not going to save anything there, and I'm going to click on save changes. So if you want to see how things are, you can just come and click on view tutorial and see how the thing is going to look like. So now the next one I'm going to come to is this search. I think the search, click on search. and let's check how this is going, guys. I'm actually enjoying this tutorial. I don't know if I enjoy this tutorial. If I enjoy the tutorial, just telling me yes, I'm enjoying it. So I'm going to just leave everything like this. Basically, I don't want to touch anything here, so leave that. So that's how the search is going to be. Then this one we have labs. So let's click on the labs and see what we have in the lab. In the labs, so in the labs, this is what we have. So I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm not going to touch it. So now, guys, I think we are almost done. We are almost done. Our website is almost coming together. So the next one I want to touch is tools. This integration is when we want to integrate a website with other something, but I'm going to leave it. I don't want to actually do that. So I'm just going to do check for the tools. If I want to upload, maybe I want to get all my contacts. I can import the other something, then I can do other things, So you can actually do anything you want to do in these tools, like upload, do something. All right, guys. So now that we are almost running, we are almost through. Just leave everything the way they are. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to come here. So if I come to my website, you can see it's coming together to look a little bit like this. So let us finish designing it and make it to look like this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to put menu to my website. So I'm going to come to appearance, click on appearance, then you'll see menu, click on menus. So when I click on menus, this is going to enable me to actually add menu. So you can see our site here does not have menu, does not have any menu up here. This is where the menu ought to be. So the menu ought to be somewhere around there, but it is just the way you have menu on Facebook, what they call menu bar. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to give my menu and name it main menu. Then I want it to be the primary and also be the user menu. Then I'm going to click on create menu. So I'm going to create that particular menu. So the next thing I'm going to do now is for me to come to these pages, click on all pages. I want to add some pages to my menu. Actually, not all the pages, just some of the pages. So I want to add this news blog, news feed. I want to add blog to my pages. I want to add forum. I want to add groups, forum and group. I want to add, I think that's all I want to add basically. So I'm going to click on add to menu. So it's going to appear like this. So I want to move this group. I want it to be up. So I'm going to press move up, so it's going to be under this place. And I also want my forum to also move up. So I'm going to click on move up, open it and click on move up, move up. So that is that. Okay, let this group move up. So click on move up on that. So that one is what I want to do. I can actually click on save menu. Now there's one that function I want to give my menu. Let's see this one. This one has, I want it to have members. I did not add members to the menu. So I'm going to come back here and add members. Click on add members to the menu. So this member, I'll click on this place here and click on move up. So I want the members to be after the forum. Okay, move up, move up. Then I'm going to click on save menu. So let us refresh our website and see if the menu is going to appear. So let's see. Let's wait for that to appear. Okay, so it's loading, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're enjoying this video, share this with your friends and family. You can also create your social media platform for your church, for your school. You can create it for yourself, just do anything you want to do. So this is how our site looks like, guys. So it's coming together to look like this. So let me add this logout for people that are logging so they can actually log out if they want to log out. So to do that, I'll come to my menu, but come back to my dashboard there. Then you can see this BB box. You can see this BB box here. Then I'm going to click on it. So this is going to open, and I'm going to locate logout. So you can see logout. Click on that logout. Then click on add to menu. So when I click on logout menu, it's going to open up for me. So it's going to look like this. You can see it, and that is it. So I'm going to click on save menu. So guys, now we have successfully finished our menu. So that you refresh it, this is how the menu is going to look like. It's going to look like this, and it is cool. Now this logout is only going to be available for people that have logged in. So if people have not logged in, they will not see the log out. So let us continue with our design so it can look like. Let us put our two sidebar, and we're almost done with the video. So to put sidebar there is very simple. All you have to do is to come to your appearance again. So I'm in appearance here. Just come here and click on widgets. So I'm going to use this word known as widgets. So I'm going to click on widgets and going to click on widgets. So I'm going to put widgets to the left and widgets to the right. So it's super cool. All right, before I do the widget, there's one other thing I need to do, because if I try to put the widget now, it's not going to work. Let me come to my pages, click on pages, then click on all pages. All right, so click on all pages. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me. Like this video. Don't watch this video and go. Please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Please, and also share this video with your friends and family. Share it on social media platform. Please, I beg you in the name of God. All right, guys. So I'm just going to come down here and I want to set this news feed. I want it to have sidebar. So I'm going to click on news feed, then click on edit. So when I click on the edit, I want to change the template to have two sidebar, because when you check here, you can see like there's no have sidebar, just a full page. So I want you to have sidebar so that you now when I put sidebar, you see what is going to happen. So I'll come to the news feed, I'm going to edit it. So you see the sidebar is going to appear very soon. So when you edit it, just zoom up here, you can see template default. Click on this default, then click on the option that's going to appear for you. Yes, I'm going to put page both sidebar, and I'm going to do that. I've done that. I'm going to click on update. So when immediately I did do that, sidebar is going to appear. So if you want the sidebar to appear in any of the pages, just come and do the same thing, and sidebar is going to appear. So now, if I've done that, now let me come to this place. If I should refresh it now, you see sidebar is going to appear. It's going to appear. You can see these are two sidebars. So these are the sidebar I was talking about. So this one, this two is going to appear just the same way it appears on Facebook. Yep. So I'm just going to come here and I'm through that. Click on this W, that's WordPress logo, so I can go back a little bit. So when I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do now is to put widget to the sidebar. So I'll click on appearance here, then click on widget. So now you can see that we have widgets, but I'm going to delete this widget. So these are what we call widgets. These are what we call widgets. I'm going to delete it and put a better one that I think is okay for me. Okay, guys, so let me come back here. Now, this to delete the widget is simple. So we have the sidebar here, and the first one is block. So I'm going to click on it, then click on delete. That's going to go off. Click on the block again, click on delete. That's going to go off. Then block, click on delete. That is going to go off. Now for the left sidebar, I'm going to delete what is there, and I'm going to delete what is there. So everything is going to go off. So let me add my own sidebar. So available widgets here. The first thing I'm going to put there is complete. Call out complete profile. What is that? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Still finding it. Okay, see complete profile. I'm going to click on that and select right sidebar and click on add widget. So it's going to be added to that. So I can check it out here. You can see. So when I've done that, just click on mark everything like that. Then click on save. So click on save. Now the next one I want to add here is members. So I'm going to come here and look for members. So let's see members. Have you seen members? I've not. Okay, see it's members here. I'm going to click on that and click on add widget. So add widget. How many members do you want to show? So I'm going to click on this one, link widget title. So means that when I click on members, it will be like a link. So I want to show 5. So you can show as many as you want. Then I'm going to click on save. So I actually want to add all these two. You can add more if you want to. You can add more to your sidebar, right sidebar. So let me add to my own left sidebar now. So to my own left sidebar, I want to add who is online. So let's see who is online. Let's so we can see who is online here. So I'm going to select left sidebar and click on add widget. So let me check it out. So that is that for me. I want 15 to show, so I click on done. So the next one I want to add on my sidebar is groups. So let's see, I want to add groups to my sidebar. So I'm going to come here and search for groups. Let's see, groups, where's groups? Social groups. So I'm going to come here and click on add widget. It's already the left that I'm selected. So I'm just going to click on that link one and click on save. So this has been done. You can add more if you want to. So you can add as many as you want. So if you want add other things, you can add it. So that's the only one me I feel like adding. So let us check our website now. Now that we have added widgets and we have done that, let us just refresh and see what is going to happen. So guys, please, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask below. You can see our website is already looking like this one. So the other things I just put there is that these are something that you can just do. So let me just copy this video link from this place here, and I just come here. So you can actually do other thing you want to do, like complete profile. Your clients can complete profile. People that come to your community can complete their profile. You can actually add this to a church group, you can add it to a school. Yeah, you can add it to school website. You can add it to, you can create even a particular website for yourself and make it popular, guys. And so far, how much have you paid? Zero naira. And I'm watching this video for free, just to recommend, just to value my my strength, my time. Just like this video, share it with your friends and family. You can comment. All right, guys. So now let me just upload something. So if I upload the link, that link is going to upload the link, and I click on post. So when I click on post, you can see the link is going to appear like this, and it's going to become like I actually uploaded the video that I created on how you can get free hosting and free SSLs. So you can do this. You want to add photo, you see the same thing. You click on this photo, you add photo if you want to. So guys, so this is what I want to do. Now you can create groups. So that's the same way I created groups here. You can create group. So to create group is simple. All right, to create your own group is also going to be very simple, guys. To create group, okay, this particular one we are doing here. So to create group, you can just come here. You can see groups up here. Up here, you see groups. Then you can just, okay, let me show you. This is what I mean. I just come up here, you can see groups here. Click on that group, so you can able to create your groups. It's very simple to create groups, just like go to prompt you, and the groups can either be public, can be open groups, this and that. So click on create groups. You see create groups. Just click on that create groups, and this group I ask you to put your group links. Let me just call it love. Let me just put I love you, something like that. I love you. Then put this and click on create groups and continue. So when I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is settings. That did I want this group to be public? That want to be public group or private group? I want it to be a hidden group. So I don't want it, I want it to be like this. I'll leave everything the way they are and click on next. So when I click on next, now the next thing I want to do that, I want this group to automatically have a forum. Yep, I want it to automatically have a forum. So I actually click previous. Let me click on next group again. So I want it to have a forum. So for it to have forum, I'm going to click on yes and click on next step. So the next step is for me to add photos to my group. So I'm going to click on select file. So when I click on select file, I'm just going to, let's see, select this particular one, so and click on done. Then it's going to upload. It's going to upload. So when it upload, I'm just going to show you the face there and click on crop photo. So when I click on crop photo, it's going to do like this. Then I click on next step. So when I click on next step, it's just going to take me to the next step. Now I need to add a cover photo. So I click on this, and my cover photo, I want it to be this one. I'm going to click on that, and the cover photo is going to appear, guys. It's just going to appear. Then when I'm done, I'm just going to click on next step, and the next step is for me to invite people to join my group. So I'm going to click on finish. So you can invite people who are your connection, people have connected to you. Just do that, and this group has been created. So you can see I'm seeing the group because I'm the organizer of the group. I created the group. So let me come back to my news feed. I click on news feed here, and my news feed, don't forget the news feed is just like your timeline. So everything that I've posted is going to appear on your timeline. So this is the post, this is the group that we've created initially, and this is where your members are, and this is where your timeline is. You can actually change this news feed to timeline. You can go and change it if you want to. So that, guys, this is how you can do that. So let me say I want to type something. Hello world. Just type hello world. So this what developer used to type first. The first thing, hello world. Then I can actually put emoji. So CC emoji here. I can put emoji. So just click on hello world. Click on the emoji, and emoji is going to appear. So I can actually add emoji up to my photos, my image. Let me put this love emoji. I'm going to just click on hello world and click on post. So I can post image. I can post something. So I can actually like it. So after successfully like this one now, I posted, I can also actually click on like. I can actually click on comment and post my own comment. And in the comment, I can put my emoji, I can put photo, I can put images as I want it. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you have any question, the last thing I want to do if I end the video is how you can actually upload logo. How you can actually upload your own logo. So to do that, you come back to the back end there, and in appearance, you still be in appearance, then you locate this place known as customize. Click on customize. So from the customize, that is where you can actually upload your own logo. And this is pretty simple and pretty and very easy, guys. Very easy. I don't want this video to be very so long, so I'm trying to um be careful with my time. So there are some things that I want to, okay, before I finally add up everything, there's something I want you to actually get in this customize. So guys, so let me just come here and come here to, so before I show you how to get logo, let me show you how you can customize the login. So I'm going to come here. You can see Okay, you can see this WP login. I'm going to click on select this WP login and do this. So there's one plugin I want to add, and this plugin is going to enable you to customize your WP your login. You can actually do this one if you want to do, but there's one plugin I want to add. So before I go and add a plugin so we can customize our login, let us come here and search for this. Let's see, site identity. Then here, set identity, you can actually select your logo, click on select logo, and you can upload logo. So any logo you upload is going to appear, but I don't want to upload logo. So any logo you upload is going to appear. Then if you don't if you want only logo to appear, just cancel this. So cancel, only the logo is going to appear. But since I'm not uploading logo, so I'm going to enable it back, then click on publish, then click on back. May you finish anything, just click on publish, then click on back here. So I want us to be able to customize the login page. Customize the login page. Like for example, okay, if I try to show the open this website on a what do I call it, on the incognito window, you're not able to see because I'm actually recording my video with my phone. So just come to plugin, click on add new. I just want to I want to design the login something here. Then this place here, your page, your plugin, just search for login press. So this is the plugin we'll be using to customize our login press. So this one is here. Just click on install now, and you're going to activate it. So I'm going to click on install and also click on activate. So when I've done this, then we can now go back to our customize and customize it. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to come back to custom appearance, click on customize. So I want us to be able to customize the login. So guys, we are almost through with the video, and I hope you are enjoying it so far. I hope you are getting value from this video so far. If you're getting value, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with friends and family. Like this video, please give this video a like, a thumb up, and comment below. I want your comment. I want to see your comment. Motivate me to create more. Okay, guys. So this is just going to open, and I want to just show you how you can actually customize the login and also have the default login stuff like that. So now, okay, this is going to open. Now, as I showed you earlier, I'm using my phone to show you that you can actually create this using your smartphone, or you can actually use system to do it as you want. So now you come here, you can see that this login press has been added already. So just click on it, click on that login press. Now you can only use one theme, which is the default theme, so no wahala. So you just come click on back here. Okay, no, login press again. Then you can put your logo. Now you have to select a logo. So I'm going to select logo. So for my login, I want to put my logo. So I'm going to select file. For my file, I'm going to choose a logo. I'm just going to put my own logo, my own website logo, just this one. Put this one here, and this is going to appear for me like this. So when that has appeared, under it here, you can see choose image. Click on the choose image, and that image is going to appear as your logo. Then after I've done that, I'm going to click on back here. Always click on publish. Immediately I've done everything, any step you take, don't forget to click on publish. Then I'm going to come to background. I can select a different background, or you can upload your own background if you want to. Then I'm going to click on publish. Of course, upload your own background if the background you want is not available yet. Now, basically, that's what I'm going to do. So you can actually customize your login. I want it to be transparent. You can make it to be transparent. You can do some customization here. Basically, if I'm doing one, I only do transparent, and that is all. So guys, now this has been done. Everything has been done for you. So you can do everything you want to do, and we are good to go. All right, guys. So our website is ready. It is ready, guys. So this is how our website is going to look like. Now I'm logging, so my website is going to look like this since I'm logging. So if I should log out now, you will see that it's going to be different. Some of all this you are seeing, some of this thing you are seeing here, you won't see it since I'm log out. It's just going to be group this and that, and you just see log in to be login. So telling me to log in or to register. So guys, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and I love you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer you. So thank you so much. I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.